are never idle.
Yes.
You are never idle. If you have the uh, intention to contribute back to the society, society has given you so much, God has given us so much. So if we have intention to contribute beautifully back to the society, then you are never idle. You will always find work, you will always find ways, and you'll always be busy with something or the else.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think uh, uh, throughout our discussions, you have given lots of inputs on how one should, one woman should think in a way that, so what is it you would like to recommend the viewers who are watching? That one thing which is left, which you still feel that yes, this message I need to give to the viewers.
So the one message is, never listen to anyone else.
Listen to your heart.
Yes, listen to yourself, because the strength lies inside you, it is within you. And that is very important. That is very
Just to
important.
add with, and never ever try to compare yourself with any other person.
No, never. Because uh, be busy doing your own beautiful things, they are endless. So you should not even have time to compare yourself with anyone else. You lose time on that, you waste time on that. So that is very important. Never. Because you are a beautiful gem, just polish yourself.
Yeah. So uh, this was Mrs. Indu Nandal from Germany, who has who had started her journey from a small village in Haryana. 26 years she stayed in Indonesia, a country. Of course, it's in Asia, but altogether a lot of difference in culture, language, and acceptance. Still, she tried, hard to be adjustable. She been very flexible. She kept on learning things, and that is what we need to do throughout our life. Just keep learning, just keep engaging ourselves, and we will be at peace every time whenever we feel that yes, now, and we keep doing for the society. Just don't do it for yourself, and yes, that would take you long way. And now when she is in Germany, she is also contributing towards poetry. She's writing poetry, she's a writer, and yes, she soon would be starting with her educational YouTube channel, and we're looking forward for it. All the best wishes to you.
Thank
And yes, you just keep inspiring people with whatever you've been doing. And yes, thank you so much for joining, Induji. It
you.
was pleasure. It was our honor to have you, and looking forward for you to join us again in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mamtaji. Thank you so much. It was great to be with you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.